What's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Girl. Welcome back for another video. I'm happy to see you. I hope you're happy to see me. We're back with the videos, okay? We're back. We're back. We're back. Today I am recreating the look that is on this picture right here. A lot of you all have asked about this months back, and it is finally time. I also wanted to wait a little bit until it was released on the buses, so that's what we're gonna do today. So Bantu Knots in the front, and in the back is just flat twist that I use some perm rods on the ends, and we're here. So in this video I will be featuring Creme Perfect. Okay. So in this video I will be highlighting products from Creme and 3 edge controls and their Argan Oil from Morocco collection. So first I want to talk about their Perfect Edges, the OG in the game. This one is more of a light hold, at least for my hair. And so what I've figured out to do with this is that I like to use this if my ends are acting up. So if they're a little frizzy, I'll just add some towards the end of the twist and just go ahead and smooth that out. And that's how I like to use this one. My best friend of all time is the Creme Perfect Edges Extra Hold. The extra hold with the yellow goldish top. And this one gives me the perfect hold, and my style is able to last a little bit longer throughout the day. So that is a positive. So this is why this is my favorite, and I always stock back up on this. And this is the third one out of that collection. This is their Perfect Edges Black, and this definitely helps with if you have gray hair, kind of hiding that. Especially when I try to slick something into a bun, I just can tap that in a little bit and cover up those gray hairs. Also too, if you have kind of some thinning like I do on my sides, I can just tap that in and cover it on up with the black. So I do like this edge control for that. I wouldn't say it has crazy hold or anything like that, but it definitely helps with filling things in. See, so I'm ready to start this video. I'm ready for y'all to see how I created this look. And yeah, girl. So let's get this video started. Girl, let's get it. Creme with Argan Oil from Morocco, sulfate-free moisturizing and shine shampoo, as well as their intense conditioning treatment. So first up is the shampoo. First, make sure you are focusing on the scalp. We already know these things 2 to 3 times, depending on how old it is, how much buildup you had. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get that. Alright, so next up I'll be using Creme with Argan Oil from Morocco Intense Conditioning Treatment on my hair. So I'm just going to be using Creme with Argan Oil from Morocco Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I'm purposely using the spray leave-in conditioner because I don't want my hair to take forever to dry. If I'm just keep it real with you, okay? So I didn't want to use a cream-based leave-in conditioner today. So what I'm going ahead to do is leave a front section available. And this is going to be where the Bantu Knots go. So in this picture, the stylist actually did my hair on blown out hair, but we are going to still create the style just on wet hair. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is split this in half, going straight across. I'm going to try to show you, but I don't know. Probably in total, I'm probably going to make like 6 back there, like 6 flat twists. And then I'm going to add a skinny perm rod at the end. It could be the yellow ones or the blue ones. Just make sure they're super small like this because we just want a slight curl. You know what I'm saying? We want a little curl at the end, not too much. I'm going to use Creme with Argan Oil from Morocco Moisture and Shine Curl Activator. So this is how much I put for this section. Work that on through. And we're just gonna flat twist. Like I said, my parts are not straight, so don't you judge. Okay. Two-strand twist all the way down. You can smooth as you go. We want the best results possible, okay? And I'm going up like 1 or 2 times. So just wrapping it 1, 2, 3 full times up. Because for one, I still want a little length. I need a little length, you feel me? I need a little something. I spray the leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. You can definitely use a cream-based leave-in conditioner if you want to, especially if you know your hair is like, girl, I don't like spray. Then don't do that to your hair. Me and parts are best friends. You know, you gotta speak positivity over things. Hey, so I'm gonna say that me and parts are best friends, that we're getting better, you know? Just gotta speak positive, I'm gonna go right under this hairline of mine. I see that little hairline. I'm gonna go under that to make that part. I already know that I will be using the extra hold today on my edges because it's just the best hold for me, and that's what we're gonna do on today once I find the other one, because this is new. We gotta use one that's already open. Okay. And so I did grab some rubber bands, and this is like the small black ones. So you're gonna go ahead and, for me, I like to use water, but that's just me, not too much. Use all that, just a little bit. And I am going to use the extra hold. Distribute that throughout this section on both sides, okay? Both sides. And then I am going to go ahead and brush it. Some of y'all have more baby hair than me, so you can do a little bit more. But this is what I'm going to do for this look. Go ahead and smooth it out with a comb as well. Put it around your hands a couple of times, your fingers, until it knots up. And what you're doing is tucking that twist under it every time you go back around. Tucking the end under there. And if need be, you can use a rubber band. If you don't need to, then don't. What I'm also gonna do to kind of like play off the fact that, you know, I may have some baby hairs, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out. So basically, if you have some shorter pieces, leave that out. Sit on the dry for an hour and then sleep in it as well. And then the next morning, we're gonna lay these boys down, okay, and go from there. Alright, so I let this scarf sit on my edges for about 15 minutes. And this is what we are looking like. You know me, I just throw my rods. I just throw them. You know, wherever they land, that's where they land, okay? You don't see it? Grab some oil before you take it down. Take your time, okay? Take your time when you're doing this. Don't you rush it, okay? Okay, you see here? I do feel like the longer you let it sit, the better the results. So this is what we are looking like in the back. Ooh, that look good. You see that movement? Top half and go in here and fluff, and I'm fluffing downward. Because I'm going layer by layer, and that definitely helps with giving it body. That's what happened in that photo. They just kept fluffing and fluffing and fluffing and fluffing my hair, and we are left with something like this. Yeah? Yeah? Do you like it? Use bobby pins, so I got one right here, and all I do is pinch the top with my 2 fingers like this. So I just slide the bobby pin through that, and it helps it stay. Make sure you get a black one or something, whichever one matches the color of your hair. But yeah, so that's an option too, to kind of keep it up in that spot right there. You can always grab another one and make an X so that can stay for real, but I can't find one right now. They're hiding from me. They're hiding from you, girl. So yeah, this is the final look. Do you like it? It doesn't have to be this high up. You know, you can take the bobby pin out if you like it more flat. But yeah, do you like it? Let's go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Did you like the style? If you gonna rock it, let your girl know down below. Okay, let me know down below if you are interested in trying the style. If you have a favorite edge control from Creme Nature, let me know down below. Or if you're interested in trying one of these, name which one down below you may be going out to buy and check out. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. And be sure to check out Creme Nature at www.cremenature.com. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thanks. Appreciate you. You know I do. And girl, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do it. Your girl is back, okay? I am back. Okay, click that subscribe button. Yes. Okay, thanks. As always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 Peace.